Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping for landscape companies. Here are some few topics. We'll cover this in the video. We'll start with revenue tracking, then we'll go to expenses management, payrolls and labor cost, inventory controls, client invoicing and accounts receivable, budgeting and forecasting, tax compliance, asset and depreciation management, job costing, financial statements, cash flow management and debt management. So let's start with the revenue tracking. In revenue tracking, you need to record all the sources of the revenue, including income from the landscaping services, the design consultations, plant sales and maintenance contracts, and you have to ensure that all these invoices are issued promptly and the payments are received and recorded accurately. Now let's talk about expenses management. In expenses management, you need to keep a record of all the expenses related to the running the landscaping business, including your equipment cost, like if you are having some vehicles in that, if you are having some tools and other stuff. This all will be covered in the expenses management. Your material cost will be covered in this too, and the labor cost, fuel cost of the vehicles maintenance, and some overhead expenses such as rentals or lease payments. Payrolls and labors. So if you are having a landscape company, you must be having many laborers working for your firm. In this, you have to monitor their payrolls expenses closely, including their wages, their salaries, if they are doing some overtimes, their benefits, like if they are having some insurances in that, and also the payroll taxes. You have to accurately categorize all of them by their jobs or by the project they are working on to understand your profitability on each. Inventory control. In inventory control, you have to maintain an accurate record of the plant and landscaping material inventories. You need to regularly update your inventory levels and accounting for the purchases you've been having, or the usage you've been doing of some stuff, and the waste that is pending and removing from the plant. And you need to properly manage your inventory, so that will help you to prevent overstocking or a shortage of the things. Client invoicing and accounts receivable. In this, you need to keep track of your invoices sent to the clients and payment terms, and if there is any outstanding balances, or if there is any pending payments. You need to follow up on the all due payments, and you have to implement a clear account receivable process for that. You may use some softwares for that too. Budgeting and forecasting. When it comes to business, budgeting and forecasting plays a very important role in it. In this, you need to create and maintain a budget to help to control your expenses. You need to set some financial goals for that, and also you need to regularly compare your actual financial performances with against your budgeted figure. How much you have had in your vision, how much you will expense on the particular budget or particular project. So you need to figure out all that and you need to adjust as per it needed. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you need to ensure that all the tax obligations, including your income tax, your sales tax, your payroll taxes, are accurately calculated and reported, and all these taxes are paid on time to prevent your penalties. Asset and depreciation management. In this, you need to record the acquisition and depreciation of the assets, such as if you are having some vehicles, some machineries and tools. You need to properly depreciate these assets over their useful lives to reflect their true value, how much they have been in your use. Job costing. In job costing, you need to record all the allocate expenses to the specific landscaping projects or jobs. So this will help you to analyze the profitability of your each project, and also this will help you to make informed decisions about the pricing strategies and resource allocations. Financial statement. When it comes to a business, financial statement plays a crucial role. In financial statement, you need to prepare and review financial statements regularly, and also you need to study this financial statement regularly to make some future decisions. In financial statement, you have to prepare income statements, like your profit and loss statements. You need to prepare balance sheets and your cash flow statements. This statement will provide a comprehensive view of the company's financial health. Cash flow management. In cash flow management, you have to monitor cash flow to ensure that your company has sufficient liquidity to cover if there is any obligations or any overhead expenses. So, a proper cash flow management is essential for your meeting financial commitments or planning for your growth. Debt management. Debt management is used to keep track of your loans, credit lines, and other forms of your debts. And also you need to ensure that the payments are made on time and debt levels are manageable in your business. Let's talk about some key performance indicators that are commonly used in the landscaping companies to measure your performance and track success. So first indicator will be revenue growth indicator. This indicator measures the year-over-year increase in your total revenue of the company's growth. Second is profit margin indicator. This indicator calculates the percentage of the profit relative to the revenue of your excess profitability. Third is customer satisfaction indicator. This indicator will gather the feedback from the clients to track your satisfaction levels towards them. Client retention rate. This indicator measures the percentage of your repeat clients, which can indicate your customers' loyalty towards your service or towards your company. Average job profitability. This indicator will analyze the profitability of individual landscaping projects or the jobs to identify your high and low performing areas. Ninth is equipment utilization indicator. This indicator will measure how efficiently equipment is used to minimize your downtime and maintenance cost. 10th is sales conversion rate. This indicator will calculate the percentage of the leads or quotes that turn into your paying customers. And 11th is safety record indicator. This indicator will track the safety incidents and maintain a safe work environment for your employees and your clients. So that was all for the landscaping companies. Thank you and have a nice day.